Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe. This is a upright carpet cleaner, plus it has a hose attachment, so now you can use it more as a spot cleaner. So it's great for cleaning carpet in bedrooms, hallways, stairs. You can also do area rugs, upholstery, couches, car seats, and much more. It comes with a bag of goodies, so I'll show you how to use this and the hose attachment in a second. But first, let's go over the machine and I'll show you how to set it up. So first of all, you have your clean water reservoir up here. You have your dirty water reservoir down here. So this is going to be all your clean liquids that you'll be cleaning with. Everything that you suck out of the carpet, all that dirty gunk and stuff, dirt, dust, and debris will get collected into this big tank down here. On the handle, you have a pull trigger. When you pull this, it will dispense the water and cleaning solution onto the brush, onto the carpet and area that you're cleaning. Or if you have your hose attachment plugged in, when you pull the trigger on the hose attachment, it will spray water. But this trigger right here is used for the upright carpet cleaner function. On the back here, you do have your cord with a quick release lever, so you can get the cord off really easily. On the bottom here, you have a release knob, so a foot pedal here, you'll kick that, and the handle will release backwards, and then you have your power button on and off. So first, let's use it as an upright carpet cleaner. So first thing you're going to do is fill the clean water reservoir. It has a button here on the top. You just push that, and then you can lift it off. You will fill it with water right out of your tap. Now you can use hot water out of the tap. Just do not use boiling water, but whatever comes out of your tap is fine. So you will fill that up with water on one side, but then on the other side, you have your solution reservoir. So here you will fill it up with your carpet cleaner. Now it does include the 6-ounce bottle of Hoover carpet cleaner, so you can fill up your solution tank with that. Now here on the front of this clean water reservoir, your top tank here, it does have a switch here or a knob. So you're going to either switch this to the rinse cycle or the wash cycle. So you'll want to start with your wash cycle. I'm going to start by cleaning my bedroom carpet here. The high traffic areas in the doorway and into the bathroom have these spots that I really want to work on today. So to get started, I will put it on the wash setting. On the wash setting, when you pull that trigger, it will dispense water and cleaning solution onto the carpet, onto the area that you're working. Then when you switch to the rinse cycle, that will just spray the water, so no cleaning solution. And you'll want to rinse afterwards because you want to make sure to extract all of that water and cleaning solution out of the carpet. You don't want to leave that cleaning solution in the carpet. So the first couple passes, you will want to pull the trigger and you'll want to go forwards and backwards, and that's going to dispense water and cleaning solution onto the area that you're working. Then you want to release the trigger and then do a pass or two to extract what was there. And then you want to switch it over to the rinse cycle. On the rinse cycle, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull the trigger. Now this time it's just dispensing clean water over the area that you're working. And then again, you're going to do 1 or 2 passes over the area just to rinse. Then you will release the trigger, and that will allow it to extract all of that liquid and cleaning solution that's still left in the carpet. Now you want to go really slow on this extract cycle. So you're not pulling the trigger, you're just going over the carpet really slow. And this is going to allow you to extract as much liquid as possible that got into the carpet. Now the carpet might be a little bit damp to the touch, but you don't want it to be sopping wet when you're done. Now once you're done cleaning, you do want to leave the carpet to dry. Sometimes I like to set up a box fan. Just leave it alone though. Make sure not to step on it at this point because anything on your feet, you will get back into the carpet. So if you have any dirt or crud on your feet or your shoes as you're walking over the carpet while it's wet, you'll just get it dirty again. Now I want to show you how to use the hose attachment. So now I want to show you how to clean upholstery with it and how to use the hose attachment. So with it, you get this nice bag with all these goodies in it and a really long hose attachment. And then you have 4 different cleaning attachments. So you've got this one, which is about a 7-inch path tool. You've got this one, which is about 3 or 4 inches. You've got this one, which is a very narrow tool, which is great for getting into cracks, crooks, nooks, crevices, little narrow parts like in between stairs or right around the edges of the carpet. And here you have a powered brush. So this one actually spins. I want to try this one first. So here on the top of the cleaner here, you have this port with a little hook here, and you just pull up on this, and now you can actually hook up your hose attachment. Then over here, you have another lid that you lift up, and now you have a place to hook up your water. Let's go ahead and hook up our cleaning hose attachment first. So here on the hose attachment, you've got these kind of two clips here, one on each side. And on one side, there's a clear hose coming out, and this is how you're going to get your water into your hose attachment. So you want this piece to be facing down. So if you line it up with the hole here, with the hose facing down, you push it in, and then here you actually have a little arrow kind of pointing out on this side of the hose, and you just twist that. It's a quarter turn and then a little push here, and that locks it into position. And then this piece right here just connects to this water outlet right here. So right in there, there's a little black piece, and it's pretty much just a push to connect. So what we're going to do is grab this hose here, lift this up, and then we're just going to push down, and now that clicks into place, and now we are ready to use our hose attachment. Now it has a really long hose on it, which is great. And then up here we can attach all of our pieces here. On this you have a pull trigger here. When you pull this, water and cleaning solution will come out of this spray nozzle right here. I want to use this cleaning attachment right here with the brush. So just line it up on the top here. On the top of the handle here you have a little knob, and your attachment just pushes over, clicks onto that knob, and now it locks into place. To release it, you just push on that knob, get a little leverage, lift it up, and it pops right off. So let's put this into place here. Now, again, you're going to have to turn your vacuum on, so just turn it around. You'll just push the power button here. We've got some rotation there. And again, we're going to repeat the process. So you'll pull the trigger there, you'll spray water and cleaning solution onto the area that you're working, you'll scrub it with the brush, whatever attachment that you're using, and then you'll extract. Now notice here on the tip of each of these attachments, you do have these little slots here. So when you're done scrubbing, you're going to tilt that head attachment into the carpet or area, chair, whatever you're working on, and pull it back, and it will extract all of the liquid through those little slots through the hose and then into your carpet cleaner. So let's go ahead and just continue the process here. We're going to spray, scrub, extract, spray, scrub, extract. You can also rinse and then just repeat the process as needed until you are satisfied with how your project is coming clean. And the brush continues to spin. To me, this reminds me of one of those little toys I used to play with as a kid, those little roller cars that you kind of roll and get them going and the motor kind of keeps spinning. But look at, the brush has done a really good job picking up some dirt, dust, and debris, some hair and stuff like that. So that's a really cool attachment. To remove it, again, we're just going to pop it right off. When we're all done to remove it, we're just going to do a quarter turn here. Remove the hose here and then just pull up on this. It's a quick connect. You do kind of got to pull up a little bit. It's not the hardest thing, but you do have to use a little bit of muscle there. Pull it right up. Then we can close this. Now, one of the last steps here is cleaning and emptying out our dirty water reservoir. So I find it easiest to go ahead and release the handle to get that out of the way. Now here on the front, you do have a release handle. So here, just get a couple fingers underneath, pull back on it, it pops open, and there you are. So on the back here, it does have two little pieces of plastic that fit into the back of the cleaner. So you do kind of have to pick it up at an angle and then pull it forward. It pops right off. And as you can see here, we've got some nasty brown water here. On the back of the dirty water reservoir, there is a quick spout pour cap. You could just lift this rubber piece off and then you can dump the dirty water out. The nice thing about this dirty water reservoir is that you can take the entire lid off. So after you've used the quick spout pour cap to dump what you want out, you don't even have to use that if you don't want to. You just unlock the front of it, and then on the back here, it's got these two little plastic pieces that kind of fit into these little slots here to kind of lock it in position. And now you can access the entire dirty water reservoir. So that's one thing I really like about this machine is clean up. You can clean all of this out. You're not going to get a bunch of buildup and mold and nasty stuff growing in there. You also do have this little filter here that is also removable. So you can remove this off of here, rinse that out, let everything dry, put everything back together, and then store it for next use. Again, let's see how to put the dirty water reservoir back together. So again, you've got these two little plastic pieces here on the back of the lid. You just want to line those up with the base, slide them in, then you can push down the front here, and then you can go ahead and lock it, and now it's ready to go back. Another feature here is that this piece here on the front is also removable. So here inside you have a lever here, which you have to have the dirty water reservoir removed. You lift up the lever there, and now you can actually lift out this piece. And as you can see here, we've got some crud in there. So now we can run this under the sink. Here on the back, we've got a bunch of hair that collected during our cleaning process. So now we can get this all cleaned up nicely. You let everything dry, put it all back together, and then just repeat the process as needed until you are happy and your area is clean. Again, if you like DIY around the house kind of stuff, carpet cleaners, projects, I've got tons of stuff. You can check them all out. I've got my new assistant here, Stormy, our rescue cat, which helps me with a lot of my projects throughout the day. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.